Beautiful fabrics in the form of scatter cushions or patterned linen chairs bring a great burst of colour to any home. We took a sneak peek behind the scenes of the design team factory to see how some of these fabrics are made.
Within Design Team, we really work with original designs that we create, and then we go through a process of sourcing as far as possible local textile bases to work with. We work mainly with pure cotton and cotton linen mixes, and we then hand silkscreen print all of our fabrics.
Pattern and texture meet to tell a unique story, as cotton and linen base cloths are custom dyed to a unique colour palette, and printing is done by hand using a flatbed screen printer.
Design Team's specific style is really, I think, the most recognizable is our use of color. All of our base cloths are dyed locally, and we have a color palette that we take a lot from nature, and we also use, with regards to design inspiration, really our local environment. We look at our traditional crafts, and we specifically use botanical reference, especially the last few years where it's become such a trend. So our patterns are really feel-good patterns, and using inspiration, things, items, experiences that inspire us will make our designs authentic. For instance, for me, our last collection where we did a complete celebration and a study of succulents was just the most wonderful thing, because I could bring in my love of plants together with my ability to create beautiful watercolor drawings with stylizing patterns, and really that's where the artistic skill comes in really what we are seeing around us, what makes us feel good, to find a way artistically to put that onto a fabric which can then carry that message to someone else. Our process is really driven by a lot of hands. From where the design is conceptualized to where it is physically drawn, where it is then taken through a digital process to get it onto our screens before we can start the printing. The actual printing process, which is literally a group of people working on that, to then taking it through our cutting departments, taking it through our sewing departments. There's really no point within our business where it is not a team of people working on what we do.
From the heart to the factory, and from the factory to the hands of interior designers, decorators and homeowners, hand-printed fabrics are becoming increasingly popular and desired by many.